Welcome to Spark RVA, Igniting Entrepreneurship. This event is about building bridges, connecting different sectors, and breaking down barriers. It brings people like us together, all to support small businesses. Over the last 6 weeks, I've had an incredible opportunity to work with 10 amazing small businesses through the Entrepreneur Empowerment Program. This program is designed to help entrepreneurs develop the skills and knowledge they need to not just be successful, but thrive. The journey to entrepreneurship often begins with a simple idea. But building a successful business takes more than just passion and skills. That's where the workforce ecosystem comes into play. The workforce ecosystem offers a network of support that provides resources, training, and guidance to help small businesses thrive. Get to know the entrepreneurs tonight. Find ways to support their businesses, regardless if it's purchasing their products, hiring them for a service, or connecting them with your valuable resources or individuals. You can make a difference. By supporting organizations that are invested in the ecosystem work, you're investing in small businesses. I'm talking about organizations like Bridging Virginia that remove the financial barrier to capital. I'm talking about organizations like Hatch that provide a space for them to be able to bring their dreams to fruition. Organizations like Culinary Concepts, they create a space like this that brings all of you together in your networks in supporting small businesses. I hope you'll join me in continuing to support small businesses and building a stronger community through this amazing work. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.